Guys, there is something in my bathroom door. I'm gonna go check it. Ah, what is that? Ha ha ha! Puppies time with an evil dragon. Oh, come on, puppies. Wake up, wake up. Hello. Puppies! I'm so glad to have you back. I'm so glad to have you back too. And that's a happy ending.